periods of time throughout the year. It's an interesting point, actually. And hit that into the gap. .105 for 7. 35 overs gone. 112 for 7. That has hit the gap quite nicely, and it'll only be a fetch and throw it back job for Munaf Patel. First boundary since the 13th over of the innings.
To capitalize on anything loose. May not be the most technically correct, but a real cavalier sort of slash through the offside.
Gone past the keeper. No one had slipped. Don't think that Patrick Patel got anywhere close to it. Another valuable boundary for the West Indies.
The West Indies need all the luck they can get. Didn't move a lot.
Another good shot from Russell, which will bring him 2.
I'm really trying to work out why you wouldn't take the power play now. Russell seems fairly capable. Carlton Bow.
He slammed that away. That's the way he plays. It's not the kind of shot that is described in any detail, if at all, in any coaching manual you can find, but it's effective. Reminiscent of MS Dhoni's helicopter.
Yes, certainly has the bat revolving over his head.
West Indies. And here he goes, gets under it, and that's gone a very long way. That's massive. And just shows what power Andre Russell has.
Well, that's a terrific shot. It is a very powerful shot. It's a 6 on any ground in the world, and he's done it with the flourish, which is so typically Caribbean. He's moved his front foot out of the way, and he's hit it with the turn. It's a massive hit.
There he goes again, another huge one. That looks to be bigger. It's gone out of the ground and into the road. Andre Russell enjoying this, and so are the crowd.
Yes, finally they've got something to cheer, because the top order of the West Indies team, apart from Dendell Simmons, has been pretty disappointing. The 50 partnership coming with that second consecutive 6. Hitting it with the turn, just the right length.
He's 31. He's hit that hard and found the gap and gets 4.
And that's the reason he should be taking more of the strike now in the remaining overs as well. Not just in the batting power play, but in the remaining overs, because he's got this knack of getting the boundaries, hitting the big shots, getting the 6s. And that's what's going to take West Indies to a score of 200 or thereabouts.
There he goes down the wicket, and a wedge shot. Pitches in the turf and just holds up. They get 2 for that.
Next assignment in England. They've said that they are not in favour of it. They remain averse to it.
Just a single, but it brings up his 50. And a well-deserved one for Andre Russell. He struck that fiercely.
It wasn't in the air as we saw those 2 massive 6s, but just as powerful.
They'll look for 2 here, or will they get 4? Oh, that's a good piece of fielding. Oh, went through him, did it? Yes, it did. So, 4 more. West Indies score goes on to 192. Still didn't get the impression that he middled it, but it's enough. That's hit hard. 6 more to Andre Russell. West Indies move on to 198.
And a good catch by Ishan Sharma, and well appreciated by his captain. Again, good powerful swing.
That's gone too. That's gone even further. Up into the second tier of the stand.
And the captain and all the West Indies fans have good reason to appreciate that. 200 comes up.
And in a flash, Andre Russell has gone from 50 to 73. That was short, cut away, well fielded. Mishra, the fielder. So what could have been 4 is only 2.
And 18 runs off the over already of the bat of Andre Russell.
Well, he's gone after that as well and hit it well. It's going to be 4. Wide mid-wicket, 22 off the over. Best by far for the West Indies. 49 overs gone. It's 210 for 8. That's hit. Full toss, 6. Almost demolished a car in the car park. Russell moves on to 88.
Well, that would have been 6 anywhere in the world. Cleared that entire western side. Nice juicy knee-high full toss. And he knew where it was going from the moment it came off the middle of the bat.
And he hammered that too. And that will be 4 more. Went flat, dropped just inside the boundary. 92 to Andre Russell, and the West Indies 225 for 8 of their allotted 50 overs. What an innings this has been.